What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash the subscribe button and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Welcome back to M.A.P. Okay? How would you like to have cash for breakfast? Okay, that's this little illustration that they have on the page. M.A.P flakes. Okay, these $247 commissions, guys, can come at any point in time. There's many times I have waken up to a payment of $247 sitting there. So that does happen. So that's what they're trying to illustrate, that hey, you wake up, sometimes there's a $247 already sitting there waiting in your account for you. Okay, but this can happen at any point in time because people are all over the world on the internet, right? Or they're on different time zones, right? So while we're sleeping, someone else in the world is up. So these commissions can pop in at any point in time. So you can make $247 instantly over and over with this program, My Automatic Pay. I like what they've done with the new sales page. It includes the bonuses on here, your built-in bonus. Okay, this is a affordable digital marketing system. This is an all-in-one system. It's only, wait for it, $247, right? Plus a $33 admin fee. So for $280, you can get this whole system. Okay, so right under $300. I think it's affordable for the masses. One level, just $247. You're going to have a reverse one-up. We'll talk about that in a second. But can't beat it, guys, for all the stuff that they've included in here. It's basically jam-packed. All right, with bonuses, and it's all in one. The owner is very hands-on here. We know who the owner is of this system. We can actually reach out and speak to him as well. Okay, so I like that, and he's always trying to improve the system. That makes a difference because we're affiliate marketers, right? We don't own the products. We just promote them. But I love to see when the owners try to improve and make the systems better. Okay, so that's what we have here. So M.A.P is designed as a powerful program with no monthly charges. You get a free members area. You get a free autoresponder. As I stated earlier, no monthly fees. They have the done-for-you traffic that's in the back office. All you have to do is access it. You get an 800 number with this. So you can place this 800 number on different images or postcards or flyers or whatever you want to put it on. You're able to make unlimited $247 commissions. There is no cap. You're paid directly to your favorite account, however you want to get paid. It's up to you. You just specify that in your profile. They have a robust tracking interface, okay? Whole back office is going to track everything. Your leads, your sales, your commissions, all that is included, all right? So let's take a look at this sales page that they created. They have this video here. This is a video. I just kind of paused it. You want to check that out. Go look at that when you opt into the page, www.besteasyworkincome.com. Go check it out. You can see some results of payments, payment proof that people have received rather. As you can see here. And so just think about this. Your prospect, this is what they're going to see when they opt in. Okay, the products are digital. Okay, we're in the digital age, so easy access. You can access your products. You can access this system from your smart device. Okay, a tablet, a smartphone, computer, laptop, doesn't matter. As long as you got a Wi-Fi connection, you can get access to your products and you can work this business. All right, so here are the digital products, the premier cash producing products. All right, the traffic generator, list building solutions, create your own job, winning webinars, 1K subscribers in 30 days, brain manipulation 101, direct response secrets, and more. But this little tool here where this arrow is pointing, this is a great little PDF that they include. I think it's like 22 pages. It has a lot of great little nuggets in there that can help you with not just M.A.P, but any online business. Okay, so that's what I love about it. The products can really help you universally. Okay, doesn't matter what you're promoting. So let's talk about getting paid with M.A.P. The M.A.P Reverse 1-Up Compensation Plan pays you $247 commissions. Your very first sale, guys, you keep, so you get your money back on your first sale. Okay, your second sale, you're going to pass up to your sponsor. So everybody passes up their second sale. Okay, so think about that. Everybody. So everybody that signs up with you owes you their second sale. Okay, the pass ups. That's passive income. Okay, that you're going to get. And the third sale to infinity, you will keep all the rest of those sales. Okay, so this gives you leverage by having that second sale pass up. Okay, so in essence, you're going to make $494 per person that joins you. Think about that. Red ball is back. Check it out. Okay, so you're getting paid passively with this. So this page right here is a one-page closer, is what I like to call it, because it gives all the details. When you're looking at it, it explains the program very well. It's a proven fact that this one-page presentation will enroll members for you $247 over and over again. And then they have this button right here, Join M.A.P. Tells you ready to join, pay you $33, pay you $247. Once you do that, I'll be notified that you have signed up, you paid your $33. I'll get an email that I received my $247. Once I get that, I will mark you paid. Okay, that's all it is. Mark you paid. I'm going to send you a welcome email, and I will get some traffic going for you to get this thing going so you can crank out some leads and get some people looking at the opportunity. All right, so let's go take a look at the products. All right, check this out. Okay, you in your dashboard, right here it lists all these resources, okay, on how to promote this program. Like I said, it's jam-packed with resources and information on how to get this thing set up, okay, and how to promote it. It's very simple to set up, but how to promote it, numerous ways, how to set up your system. Very easy though, it's very newbie friendly. Now right here it says products, so you click products, right? Hang on a second, in your products, right here, M.A.P marketing products. Okay, right here. So here are the modules. Let's see, there's module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 modules under the marketing products. Okay, and as you can see right here, it says download. Okay, so you can download these right to your smartphone, right to your tablet, your computer, wherever you want to download them. Instant. Okay, again, this digital marketing tool, definitely go check that one out. A lot of good nuggets in there. Okay, and then if you click here, there are also some digital products for health. And you can see here there's 4 modules, but of course there's 3 products in each module, so you get a lot of products here. Digital marketing, okay, whether it's health or it's direct response type of marketing, you have marketing right here. Tools that you can use to help you promote this program, tools that you can use to help promote any business. All right, so they have it all laid out for you. See right here, it says resources. Look at all the resources, guys. Okay, all the resources that they have right here, and it's a simple system to set up. You just click right here where it says start here, complete your profile, payment option, set up payment option. Easy breezy, 3 steps, you're in. Okay, again, this is a business in a box as well, but with this one you only have 1 level. Okay, under 300 to get in. You have everything you need here within the system. Your first sale you keep, your second sale you pass up. A simple comp plan, 247 over and over and over and over. Okay, no monthly fees. All right, so again, if you want to get started, I will be sending your first campaign for you. Okay, a fast start for you. If you're looking for a way to make some instant commissions, $247, affordable, under 300 bucks to get in, an online business, M.A.P is a great one, guys. Okay, the link is in the description, www.besteasyworkincome.com. Go check it out. Make sure you watch this video. See right here, I think it's 7 minutes, I believe. Watch this video. That's number 1. Come down, read over this website, jot down your questions, watch this video as well. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer those and assist you in getting started and setting everything up. It's really simple. Okay, so thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.